Good afternoon, dear Park students. This is Mr. Moore, assuming you're looking at this in the afternoon. One thing I wanted to talk about real quick is citations. Part of your project is you need to be able to cite your sources. And I'm going to show you a quick way to do that. All right. So, for instance, if I wanted a flag of India, okay, so I'm doing my project on India, I found a website that has a flag. I'm going to use this flag on my project. How do I cite it? Well, you quickly can copy the URL, copy the link, okay? Then an easy thing to do is go to citationmachine.net. Okay, when you go to citationmachine.net, click on the citation list. Okay, easy thing to do is just click create a new citation. I create a new citation for the book. I look up book or journal. I'm guessing most of you are going to be using website, so I click on website. All I do is I copy, paste the website, the URL into the search. The website, the Citation Machine website will do most of that for me. I will hit cite for the flag of India. It looks like they've got some information. It won't be perfect, but get some information. Right? If you want to add some stuff, you can. There's ways to add, but for our purposes, I'm not too concerned with how exact your citation is. I'm going to click continue. I can look over if I want to add the author's name or the year in which things were published. I can do that, but for our purposes, I'm not going to. I click here to complete the citation, and boom, there it is. I review it, and I don't even need to review it. Take citation. I'm going to just copy it. Copy citation, right? So I'm going to copy the citation, and then I'm going to paste it into my site. Copy, paste. There you go. And I have one of my citations for my project. You need to have, I think it says I use at least 3. So here's another one. I'll go to the World Book Online. This is the great website I said to use. This is one of the sources that I used for my model project. So I'm going to click. I'm looking at this article on India. If I want to be very precise, I can say what part of the article I read. But really, all I need to do is copy the website. Now, once I copy the website, I can go back to Citation Machine, and it says create a new citation. I'll create a new citation. All right, it is also a website. All right, I'm going to type in website, search. After a quick search, it'll looks like World Book Online reference site. Oh, there you go. Good. Click on that. Continue. If I want to, again, I can add some stuff to it. The World Book doesn't really have authors directly, so I can't really put that much in there. If I want to put the date, I can. But for our purposes, just click through. And here we go. Boom. Here is my citation. I'm going to copy citation, and I'm going to paste it into my citation website. All right. Most of you are going to have something like this, World Book Online. That makes it easy to find. All right. One last thing I'm going to do, and this is going to be based off of your textbook. Your textbook is a good website or a good source to use. All right. So I'm going to type in the book. All right. Your textbook is called History of the World. All right. So I'm going to click on History of the World. Oh, actually, hold on. Give me 1 second. I'm going to grab the book. Okay. I saw, History of the World. That's not it. Oh, man, okay. And I look more carefully. Your book is actually called World History and Geography Modern Times. So I'm going to type that in. World History and Geography Modern Times. I do a quick search. There it is. If I want to be precise, I can look in. Is this the 2018 version? And I look and I see, look, on my citation, it is 2018. So I click on 2018, cite, continue. Again, if I wanted to put more information, I can. All right. I could put the page numbers if I wanted to get more specific. But for our purposes, you don't need to be extremely specific. So here I am. I'm going to copy this citation, and I'm going to paste this citation onto my project. So copy and paste. All right. Now these are all different sizes, so I'm going to shrink it down so I can fit it all on there. But there's my third site. I'll make it, there you go. All right, so my site 1, my flag of India. My site 2 is the online website, and site 3 is the textbook. Doing this correctly, I think I have everything I need for my project, at least 3 sites. If you have any other questions, please let me know. But this is the easy way to get credit on your project for citing your sources. Thank you, and thanks for listening.